Chinese cuisine is rich and full of varieties. Many dishes are named after the cooking techniques, for example, deep-fried, braised, and stir-fried, etc. However, one of the famous catalogs is named after the renowned ingredients. Today, I'm going to introduce one, the salt and pepper shrimp. Pepper and salt are cooked in a special way so that they are well integrated to create the remarkable and unique taste, which makes the dish so tempting. Traditionally, the main ingredient, in our case, the shrimp, is deep fried. In this recipe, I'm air frying instead, and will share a few tricks to make the shrimp as crispy. By the way, welcome to my channel, and if you like the video, please remember to subscribe in order to get notified when I post next time. Alright, first, clean and devein about 8 large shrimp. Add ginger slices and scallion rinse, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Massage. Set aside to marinate for about 10 minutes. Chop some garlic and red chili pepper, set aside as well. Now let's make the pepper salt. 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns, half teaspoon of rosemary, no oil, medium heat, stir fry, and roast for about 2 minutes. Two teaspoons of sesame seeds. Keep stirring for another minute or so. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Keep mixing and roasting until the sesame seeds turn brown. Pour the mixture on a sheet of kitchen paper towel or parchment paper. Use the rolling pin to roll it. The roasted materials are perfectly dehydrated, so it is very easy to grind and roll them into powder. Transfer the salt and pepper powder into a container for use later. At this point, you already can smell the delicious scent and may sneeze a few times. Yes, that is how strong the smell is. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper or red pepper. Shake it evenly. Now, let's cook the shrimp. I recently found this frying mix from a local grocery store, which I love. As a matter of fact, any frying mix works too. Add about 3 tablespoons of this mix. Slowly add water to it while mixing until the batter is thick enough to coat the shrimp but not too sticky. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix evenly. And then coat the shrimp one by one and lay the shrimp evenly on the frying pan of your air fryer. (375 degrees). Air fry for about 10 minutes. Rub a thin layer of oil on both sides of the shrimp. And keep frying for another 5 minutes or until crispy. Highly recommend checking the shrimp from time to time. Depending on the size of your shrimp in your air fryer, it may take longer or shorter. Now let's assemble. In a heated pan, add in the garlic and red chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of oil. If you deep fried your shrimp, then no more oil is needed at this point. Stir fry for about 1 minute, add in the shrimp. Spray a proper amount of salt and pepper mixture we made early on. If you have leftover of the salt and pepper, store them and use next time, which is perfectly fine. Arrange the shrimp on your favorite plate, garnish and enjoy. The dish is crispy, spicy, and salty. Every bite gives a slightly different taste. Delicious. Well, I hope you like this video. Please do check out the other simple and exciting recipes in my channel. Share your comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you next time.